Okay, so hello again my friends. Today we have to fix something and let me show you. You see, this is a switch from a bathroom, or better said shower faucet. It belongs to my mother-in-law and she's like 90 years old. And of course my father-in-law is 95 and they are still great. But you see, they got so stuck with the things they have around. I can't imagine having some changings there. They just told me, you know, this switch got ruined. And I said, okay, let's buy a new faucet and let's have it installed on something. Oh, no. We like the old one, we need the old one, so don't even think about having some changings. So, you see, what can I do? I have to try to fix it. You know, it's plastic, it's very cheap, probably because of turning the switch, because this one delivers water to the sink and to the shower, and depends on the angle or the position of the switch. In fact, it's where the water is going. But okay, so I think you understood the history of this thing. You know, don't change anything. I got no chance but to try to fix it, and that's why I'm gonna have first kind of crazy glue just to put the parts or to fix the parts in place, kindish. Okay, it got stuck. It's kind of oxidized or something. Let's see what's happening. All right, there we go. And that's kind of gel. Crazy glue, super glue, whatever. So let me have some of that down there to plant those plastic things in place like it was before. Stay there. Okay, let me try to have the broken one back, like that. Nice. Come on, stay, sit, be a good boy. Of course, crazy glue, it's not strong enough for this kind of job, or shape, better said. And once it's reconstructed, let me have some glue up there just for keeping the parts in a proper position, and I think that's fine. I love to use this kind of gel crazy glue or super glue. It's much easier to manipulate and you have enough time to, you know, to spread it around and stuff like that. Okay. Like that. So that was the original shape, in fact. Kind of square. You know, cheap faucet. Plastic thingies. And the truth is that you buy cheap, you have cheap. So I can't say anything about. But like I said before, it's not a matter of not affording, but they don't like changes or changings. So here I have some epoxy A and B, because I want to cover all the empty place there with epoxy, and it will be like a piece of stone with a hole in the middle. Alright, let's mix it well, very well together, and we have to move pretty fast until we have a gray color, like that. Mix it well. But don't use too much time to do that, because the epoxy, it's starting working as soon as A and B are together, so kind of quickly. This one, it's you know, it's starting the reaction like in 5 minutes or something, so we have to move. Okay, that's fine, it's looking good. Okay, it's too much. And I think you got the idea. I'm gonna cover all those empty space behind the square key with epoxy, and that will make this switch hard as steel. I'm pretty sure they can't break it anymore. No chance. Okay. I like that. And by the way, what's so funny about this? One of the TVs got ruined a few weeks ago, so I bought another one, a small LED from another producer, another company. They got so used with a Samsung, and this one was another something anyway, and oh my god, it was a mess. The remote, it was absolutely different, and the places of the channels in the channel list was kind of different, and I can tell you there was a lot of talking about the new TV, and the new one, by the way, it was much better than the old one, with better picture, with better screen, with a lot of improvements, I may say, better sound, stereo sound and so on. No way. So like I said before, for not old, but adult people, very adult people, changings are really, really difficult. Yeah. Okay, so I think you got the picture what I'm trying to do there. I'm trying to have the epoxy down below to cover all the air pockets, and I like that. I'm pretty sure this will last forever. I don't know what kind of engineer did this schematic, or anyway, I'm not criticizing, but it's kind of crazy to have those little plastic walls. Okay, it's getting harder to work with epoxy. Oh yeah, now it's a kind of rubber or rubberish constitution aspect. I think this is the end of getting the things. Yeah, it's not working anymore. And you know something? It's really hot. I can feel the heat because of the chemicals there. But I still have to push it some more. Alright. It's still kind of plastic. It can be manipulated. Come on, I need some more. Just a little bit over there. Right. Get into place. Beautiful. You know, the point is that, like I said before, it's not a matter of money. I can buy a new faucet and have it back in place, but I have to call somebody to do a proper job. It's not hard, in fact, just big screws, but it takes time. You have to close the main water pipe, and it's down there in the courtyard somewhere in a basin, in a hole into the ground. It's a mess. It's a mess. So if this one is working, and it will work for sure, I think it's much better to have it like that. Okay, so that's it. It's looking good. Let it cure and I'll be back. And here we are, like 10 minutes later. This is obviously stone. I don't think there will be any more problem with this guy. It's like a piece of stone. So finally, I think I solved the problem. So I hope they will be happy with the new switch or something. Anyway, in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and thanks to my sponsors too. Don't forget, have fun. See you soon with some other.